Hi everyone! To make working mom's life easy, this is Rani from Me Cook channel. So it's snowing at home, and this is something that my kids and myself, even when I was younger, we used to love this. It's called Korean pancake hotteok, and I'm gonna show you how easy it can be when you use pre-mixed one. You can pick this up at anywhere in the Korean grocery, probably about $4 to $5 max, and has everything in it. So let's go over how easy it is, and we'll start. I'm gonna unbox this. It does have, whoops, here, the inside, and this is where it's better it's gonna be, whoops, upside down. And there's the yeast. This is a little pack that we do need to have, if I can pull it right? So first, you must have the yeast mix first. Get this out, put it in a bowl. I have the warm water already. It's 180 milliliters that you need. Do not mix anything else. It's essential that you must mix this first before you can touch anything. Here, this is the yeast mix with the water. As I said, it's a warm water, right? I'm gonna make sure it's all got mixed in. The premix goes in all the way out, and I am going to start mixing this. It's gonna get a little thick after a while once you get mixed it in. And some of these premixes make sure that they said you don't need to sit it, but to make the best taste, you do, after getting thoroughly mixed up, you do want to have it sit 10 minutes. This is what happens after you mix it in. After 10 minutes, it did raise up pretty nicely. And I have, do you remember that we had an inside filling? This is where the filling is. And I believe we can make probably 8 hotteok, the pancakes, out of here. You see how nicely it has been raised up right here. It's so easy and delicious. You're not gonna be just so surprised. I'm gonna heat the pan up. The key to this is to have it a lot of oil. Almost like a frying, but not exactly frying. If you're on a diet, forget about this. We're just gonna have a good time today and enjoy, right? It's a little bit size of a golf ball. See, golf ball. Put it out. I make a little hole inside, look like this. It's like a little pouch, right? I want to have a lot of filling inside here. A bunch, press in, oops. Press in, press in, press in. One more. More and more and more. Look. Bring it to the other side. Bring it to the other side. Bring it to the other side. I don't want this sugar, cinnamon fillings going anywhere, because when I cook, it's gonna spill out. See how I'm covered up all of like this? Nice. Let it sit. I don't want it to sit too long. Do you remember I had my fire going? The oil. You can use olive oil. That's what I have right now. That's a lot of oil, isn't it? Make sure it gets heat up. I'm gonna make a second one while I do that. Another size of a golf ball. Round, round, round. What did I do? Make a little pouch. So we used to eat all of this when we were young in Korea. And it's a very still famous, street food. If you ever get to go to visit Korea, you will see this a lot on the street, especially in the winter time. My kids are born and raised in the state, but they still love this, especially in the cold day like today, snowy, rainy day, you name it. And I had my daughter's friend who's native here. She loves this thing anywhere. In Hotteok, she can get up anywhere and eat them. So on both, ta-da! Whoops, the oil is not hot, but that's how it is, right? Now, to make it, I'm gonna make it flat out. You can use something flat like this, or I have Hotteok pressure. This came in one of the box when I purchased a long time ago. They had like a special promotion that on the side of this inside, they had this thing inside to press it like this. Sometimes you can find it in the store, but I haven't seen it lately. On here, or whatever you're gonna press with, you're gonna dab it with oil. I wanna dab it with oil. Do not press it, on the surface here. Go to the second one where you have a lot of oil. Make it out. Thinner it gets, better taste it is. You see how in this brown part, it's about to leak the filling. We don't want that to happen, so I'm gonna stop it right here. Okay, that's to show if you don't have the pressure. This, go like this, and I'm gonna press it at once, and it helps if I can get the strength in there. See how this one came out much better? Then you just have to see it. Because I did not cook on the other side, this on the side like this, I will flip it one more time when it's about time. I'll probably say in between minute or two. The thin layer right here, that's the filling. And you want this to be golden brown. Now, people do ask me, hey, Ronnie, when do you ever find out if this is ready to eat or, ready to cook? So you can see that though actually the itself, it will raise up like this, which means it's all cooked. But I want to have a little bit more color to it, so I'm gonna leave there while I make extra ones. I left the heat on medium high. And I'm making my third one. Pouch, pouch, pouch again. I'm being so greedy on the fillings here. I'm afraid it's gonna pop out on the side when I press it down. But I'm still just gonna do my best to bring it. I made a perfect pouch here. Okay, let it sit. Let's check it out what the other side looks like. Aha! Now this is how it's supposed to look. We're doing very well on here. So, I work as a realtor full time and I cook when I'm at home. Working mom's life a little easier, and I use a lot of stuff off the counter, but I mix it with it to make it very, to bring out the flavor in midst of my busy working hour. And that's what I wanted to show everyone through my YouTube channel here. And that was the reason today I picked out this Hotteok Korean pancake in the premix box. So I don't want you to get, scared about it. Go pick up one, and it tastes really good. You will love it. The crispiness outside when you bite into it, the fillings with the cinnamon and sugar, it just tastes so good. You see how it's got raised up so much? But at the same time, look at this. On this side, my fillings are coming out. Look, do you see that? Do you see that how it was raising up? There. This is all ready. So I'm gonna take it out, let it cool down. You don't wanna eat it right away. The inside filling is just so hot. We wanna make sure that this doesn't get, this doesn't burn your mouth. Okay, this is all getting ready. Take a look at this. This is what I'm saying about the filling coming out because I put so much in there. Now I do believe this is all done. So we're gonna take this out and try how it is. Okay, let's try this. See how it is. I had one bite already on the other one. Right, how it goes. Golden brown. The crispiness outside, inside is soft with a sweet, sweet filling. This is a perfect dessert on a snowy day. Go grab a box. Make some, try it. You will love this. This is called Korean Hotteok. Today, I worked with this box and I'm gonna come back with the next time. They got a brand, but I'll make sure that we have much easier other ingredients next time to come back. My next video will be more likely on a traditional Korean food, not as a dessert, but today I did try the Korean dessert. I hope you try it. If you liked my channel, please thumbs up and subscribe. To make your life easier as a working mom, this is Ronnie, Me Cook channel.